What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Blitzu Gator 320 bicycle headlight and taillight, and it comes with a bell. It was about $14 and then they raised the price and I got it for $18. And to the guy that commented on my last unboxing video to unbox some nail clippers, I decided not to clip them for this video just for you. I'm not sponsored at the time of this video. I got them off of Amazon. They're for my Segway X160 and probably a bunch of my bicycles and maybe some of my dirt bikes. But I will probably be doing a review video, so check that out. That took me forever to get that sticker off, even with my long fingernails. So, looks like we got a coupon or something. They should have already given me a 10% off. That's how they get you. I guess they just threw this in there. Then you get 10% off. Haha. Okay. There's like a small startup guide. There's a bell. Don't need that. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Solid metal. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be, so that's nice. Looks like it's got some charge on it out of the box. Of course, you're gonna have to hit it a bunch of times. Turn it on and off. Comes with two USB cables. They're USB-C. Hopefully, I'm hoping it'll fit into my Segway X160 so I can charge it. It has a USB port on the right in front of the battery by the handlebars. So that, I'll let you guys know. But oh yeah, that's plenty of length. Man, that's wild. I assume they're both the same length. Yup. So that's it. I'll be doing a review and a testing video soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.